I will make the sound. You repeat after me. A. 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 B. 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 The sound of C is K. 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 The sound of D is D. 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 The sound of E is A. A. The sound of F is F. Ask the child to make this sound. They will enjoy this sound. They will play. So, the sound of G is G. G. The sound of I is, the child will get confused by the sound of this letter I. The name of this letter is I. The name of this letter is I. But the sound is E. But the sound is E. Like the way. Okay? J. K. K. The child will play. The letter O will have sound A, like in owl. A. Owl. A. P. 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 Like in queen. P. P. Child will play. They will enjoy this session. When you teach this, the children also will enjoy this session. How snake will sound. Okay? The snake sound. Two. The child will get confused by the sound of this letter also. The name of this letter is U and the sound is A. Like in Telugu we have A. The sound is A. The sound is A. V. Like in van. V. V. Like in watch. Watch. V. Yeah. D sound. Okay? After you teach the sounds, teach the 2-letter words. Don't go with 3-letter words.